Today, I'll walk you through how to promote headers in Power Query within Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set your column titles correctly so you can enhance your data visualization experience. Let's get started. First, open Power BI Desktop. This is the foundation of your data analysis, much like opening the door to a new room filled with possibilities. Once you have Power BI open, look for the option that says Transform Data. This is your gateway to modifying your data set. Clicking on this will take you to the Power Query Editor where the magic happens. Now navigate to the table that contains your data. Think of this table as a blank canvas, waiting for you to add structure and meaning to it. If you notice that your column titles are currently in the first row of your data, it's time to promote them to headers. To do this, simply click on Use First Row as Header from the Transform group. This action will elevate your first row into proper headers, making your data much easier to read and analyze. Next, let's save our progress. Click on File in the top left corner. This is similar to saving your work in a word processor. It ensures that all your changes are preserved for future use. And there you have it. You've successfully promoted headers in Power Query within Power BI. This simple yet effective step can significantly improve the clarity of your reports and dashboards. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.